Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the APM series. Okay, so the previous videos, we saw about some gestures, right? Long press, tap, like that. We saw some gestures in this, but we saw with the help of the emulators, virtual device. But in this video, we are trying to connect with one of my real device, right, and see how whether we can connect the APM with the real device or not. So that is what is the agenda here. Okay, for that, first what we need to do is, right, we need to go to Google. Okay, so we need to go to Google and download the Visor, right, for Windows. Visor, VYSOR for Windows, right, that we should download and install it. Okay, so what is the purpose of Visor is it acts like a mirror, right. So what we see in the phone, the Visor displays in the screen. So it's like a right a mirror of your phone. Okay, so we can able to see the screen of my mobile in through the Visor app. Okay, so that is the purpose. We need to download it. I've already downloaded and installed my machine. We need to select which OS of our Visor we want: Windows, Mac, Linux, or right, whatever, right. Now, so for me, I'm using Windows. I just download the Windows and installed it, and this will automatically install in my mobile also. Okay, after installing, we should open the Visor. Okay, then what we should need to do is, right, I need to connect this with my mobile. For that, I need to put a data cable. Okay, I need to put a data cable in my mobile, and I should connect with the mobile. Okay, so in that, now what I need to do is, right, I need to go to my settings in my mobile. Okay, I need to go right to the settings in my mobile. So first, 1 minute, let me show you with the Visor. Now it's connected, the mobile is connected with the Visor. First, I need to type, go to settings. Okay, I should scroll down my settings. 1 minute, already it's been. I need to go to settings. Okay, I need to go to about phone. In about phone, I need to go to software information. I'm using Vivo, so based on your right mobile, it little bit it varies, please check it. Okay, so after going to software information, I should click build number 7 times. After clicking 7 times, right, this it will the debugger option will get enabled in your mobile. After that, you should go back, right, we should go here, and you should go to system, and you see a developer options enabled in your machine. Okay, so I should in your mobile, I've clicked the developer options, and there will be an option called as enable USB debugging. You should enable this. After enabling this, you can able to see the display of your mobile on your machine, that is on the Visor app. So this is my mobile display. Okay, so right, so this is how we can connect your mobile real device with your right Appium with the help of the Visor app. Now we can automate any one app and we can see. Okay, so continue to follow the series. Soon we'll be automating any one app, right. We're going to create one framework. We are going to slowly automate both with the emulator and with the Android device, with the real device. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.